Ladies and gentlemen, the songwriter of the year goes to Liema Pantsi.
Liema must win. Liema is the winner. Can it be Liema, please?
Make some noise
for
the
Liema.
architects of our favorite song.
Liema.
That one goes to
Liema. Oh my God! Where is she? Congratulations! Amen.
This is really unbelievable, but I just believe at the same time that I can achieve this, you know. God is so good. God is so good.
All the time. No,
What? Award winner? Award winning baby girl. Award winning baby girl. Zanganes awards. Zanganes awards.
Liema, they can you take a picture of Liema?
Hey,